Okay, as I put this plate back on here, and it gets the 3 nuts. Now this is supposed to kind of like slide, sort of like a brake caliper thing does, I guess. That's supposed to stay. This is disengaged, but even if you start putting those 3 nuts on there, it immediately tightens up and puts friction on there. And it's like if those bolts were long enough or something, or longer, it could maybe let me get down on there a little further. But as soon as I tighten these 3 nuts up, and then this is just kind of like a cover that goes over the whole thing. Yeah. As soon as I get those 3 big ones, oh, they're all the same size nuts, but when I start tightening these up at all, see, there's no threads left, but as soon as I start tightening them up, it just locks this. So this is rotating with the engine, right? And then when you engage the clutch, that's when it sandwiches together and rotates the pulley. But I can't even, I noticed when I was taking it apart, when I loosened all 3 of these up, this got loose, but it was just locked up before that.